Welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is tab. Tab. Custom tabs let us display custom object data or other web content in Salesforce. Tabs are of four types. Custom object tabs display the data of your custom objects in a user interface tab. Custom object tabs look and function just like standard tabs. Web tabs. Custom web tabs are used to display any external application or web page. Visual Force tabs display data from a Visual Force page. Lightning page tabs make Lightning component available in Lightning Experience. Creating custom object tab in Classic. For that one, click on Setup, Build, Create, Tabs, New Custom Object Tabs. Step 1. Select Object. Step 2. Choose Tab Style. Step 3. Choose Visibility of Tab to Profile. Step 4. Choose App which we want to display. Step 5. Click on Save button. For example, create tab for employee __ C. Creating custom object tab in Lightning. First, we have to click on Setup, Platform Tools, User Interface, Tabs, Custom Object tab, New. Step 1. Select Object. Step 2. Choose Tab Style. Step 3. Choose Visibility of tab to Profile. Step 4. Choose app which we want to display. Step 5. Click Save button. Example, create tab for payment __ C. Thank you. So coming to our practical session, first log into our Salesforce account, login.salesforce.com. In our previous session, we had created object employee in classic mode. So for that employee object, here we are going to create tab for that employee object. So for creating the tab, first we have to click on Setup, Build, Create, Tabs, New Custom Object Tabs. Employee is there. Click on Employee. In the first step 1, select Object, Employee. Step 2, choose Tab Style. Here all the tab styles are coming. Click on Next button. Add to Profile. Here default on is coming and I am just going for the default one. Clicking on Next button. Here add to custom apps. I am going with only Employee Management System EMS. Finally clicking on Save button. So now we are able to see these employees in the tab section. We have to create payment tab in Lightning Experience. So creating in Lightning Experience, first we have to click on Switch to Lightning Experience. Click on Setup at the right corner. Then go for Platform Tools. Then go for User Interface. Then go for Tabs. Then click on new button. Here in last session we had created payment object. For the payment object, here we are going to create tab for the payment object. Choose the tab style. Click on next. Add to profile. I am going with default one. Next. Add to custom apps. I am going with only Institute Management System IMS and clicking on save button. So payment is also coming on the tab. So in this session we had seen that how to create tab in classic mode and in lightning experience. Thank you.